Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding for milk tea. To begin, gather your essential ingredients like 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 packet of unflavored gelatin. Make sure you have a small saucepan and a whisk ready on your clean workspace. Precise measurements are key for achieving the perfect texture and flavor in your homemade pudding. Next, combine 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar in a saucepan. Place it over medium heat, stirring continuously with your whisk. It is important to keep stirring until all the sugar has completely dissolved into the milk. Remember, you want to warm the mixture gently, so avoid letting it come to a full boil. Once the sugar is dissolved, whisk in your bloom gelatin until it is completely incorporated and no lumps remain. Then, carefully pour the warm mixture into your desired molds or a shallow dish. For the best results, place the pudding in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the pudding to set firmly. Finally, once your pudding is perfectly set, carefully unmold it onto a serving plate. Using a clean knife, cut the pudding into small, bite-sized cubes, approximately 1/2 inch in size. Now, you can add these delightful, soft pudding pieces directly into your favorite milk tea for an extra layer of texture and sweetness. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.